I would like to thank Prem Sai for conducting this an amazing Parichay the Awakening workshop. This workshop has actually helped me to understand myself better and understand my emotions. What I really liked about workshop is all the activities are engaging activities and filled with fun, and also helped us to understand ourselves better. I personally recommend to go through this workshop. Everyone, you don't have to be in a situation where you are having some difficulties in your life. You don't have to be in that situation to attend this workshop. This workshop is for anyone who wanted to know themselves better and have a better life. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much once again for conducting workshops. I'm really looking forward to attend one more time. Thank you.